Hi there! Today I'm going to show you a place that, if you are into visuals, videos, or just love playing with AI, might quickly become your new favorite creative playground. It's called Getimg.ai, our site, and if you think it's just another text-to-image tool, oh no, my friend, you are in for a surprise. Let's dive right in. The first thing you see on the homepage is a section called Quick Actions. These are shortcuts to the core features. Perfect when you have an idea and just want to bring it to life fast. You click Generate Image, type in something like a cyberpunk DJ cat in a neon lit club anime style. And boom, a few seconds later, the AI gives you a fully rendered image. You can choose the style, realistic, painterly, 3D cinematic, whether fits your vibe. Next up, generate video. One of the most powerful tools here. You type in something like cinematic ocean waves crashing at sunset shot from the drone. And within moments, Getimg creates a short film-like video clip. It's wild. You've also got quick links to view the gallery with work, read articles, explore guides, or join the community and creators program. Now let's scroll down. This is where the real creative magic happens. AI tools. Let's break them down. Image generator. This is your go-to. You type a prompt, the AI creates an image. But it's more than that. You can tweak the style, resolution, aspect ratio, and detail level. Use it for concept art, posters, album covers, thumbnails, book illustrations, literally anything. For example, a meditating astronaut floating above Mars with glowing particles in Ghibli style. One line of text and you get a full visual. Image editor. This one's like Photoshop, but with AI. You upload any image, select a part and change it. Want to turn an umbrella into lightsaber? Remove a background element, change eye color, facial expression, entire objects, you can do that. No layers, no complex tools. Video generator. Yes, it's here again. You are not just making a clip from one prompt. You can chain ideas, create animated storytelling, cinematic trailers, dynamic sequences. Image variations. Upload any image, get multiple versions. It's like AI saying, should I do more of it? Great for A/B testing your style or finding new vibes. Model trainer. Now we are getting advanced, but it's easier than it sounds. You upload a few pictures of yourself, of your characters, or in the style you want, and Getimg trains a custom AI model around them. So now you can generate anything in your own style with your own face. Branding, custom content, characters, this is how you can do it. Upscaler. Got a small image, upscale it to 4K without losing sharpness. Perfect for printing high-resolution posts or making a thumbnail look crisp. AI resizer. Need to go from square to portrait? landscape to story format, this tool adjusts your image proportions instantly. Ideal for YouTube covers, Instagram posts, TikTok stories, any format you want. Background remover. It's exactly what it sounds like. Drop in an image, click once, and boom, transparent background. No masking, no tracing, just clean PNG ready to use. Uncrop. You know that feeling when your image is great, but it's too tight? Uncrop lets AI extend your image in any direction. Get a close-up portrait, it will generate the body, the background, the whole world around it. And the top menu? You've got tools, resources, API for developers, and access to the community on Discord. Plus, your profile and credit balance are on the top right. So, in short, from one single homepage you can generate images and videos, edit, upscale, resize, train your own models, remove backgrounds, expand images beyond their borders. It's a complete AI creative lab in your browser. If you are a designer, marketer, creator, or just someone with ideas, this is a game changer. So grab a coffee, open up Getimg.ai and start creating. And hey, in the next video I will show you more tips to generate images and videos. So see you soon and let me know in the comments what you are planning to create. Bye!